Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Ghost Monkey in Gorilla Tag, only way. Equip the Ghost Monkey skin from the lobby store, then enter a private match to practice. Learn the core timing for the Ghost Leap by swinging deliberately and releasing at the apex of a push. Focus on consistent hand placement, gentle wrist flicks, and breathing to stay calm. Repeat short drills to build muscle memory and confidence. In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost Monkey in Gorilla Tag, only way. Practice the Ghost Leap by pushing with steady force and releasing at the motion apex for a clean glide. Use cushioning pushes to adjust midair and avoid overcorrecting, which causes spins. Maintain a low center of gravity when landing to preserve momentum. Gradually increase distance attempts as accuracy improves, and always warm up before trying high-risk maneuvers. In this video, I will review how to use Ghost Monkey in Gorilla Tag, only way. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep snacks tidy between sessions, perfect for gamers who snack during long plays. They cut spills and speed up breaks so you stay focused. If you find this helpful, subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with advanced Ghost Monkey techniques in Gorilla Tag, only way. Start linking Ghost Leaps into wall runs to create fluid routes across the map. Use subtle feints to manipulate other players and open safe windows for leaping. Practice landing into precise grabs by aiming hands slightly ahead of the target and softening impact. Record your sessions to spot timing flaws and adjust drills for focused improvement each play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.